Yo, what's good, YouTube? We got a different style video for you today. We are going to be riding in the Mustang GT. Say hello to Jenny. If this video gets 200 likes, I'll do my review on 2.5 years of ownership on that. But today we'll be taking out the Mustang. Different style video for you today. Hope you enjoy it. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Killer Cam back on the side of the Mustang GT. I have not done a video like this in literally years, so I hope that this looks okay. I have the GoPro mounted to my headrest with the head strap, just like the old school Jenny videos. But today we are in the Mustang GT 5.0, and that's just normal mode. I want to put it in track mode today. I haven't even really played with this vehicle. I've had it about, I think, 3 weeks now. So like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, if this video looks okay, hopefully it looks okay. This is just the first one, so I know I'm gonna have to make some tweaks. I would like to mount a mic eventually. I don't know how good this is gonna sound. Hopefully it sounds good enough. If this video is nice enough quality, you will see it. If not, I'm just talking to myself. But I normally do moto vlogs. You guys know me from that on my Victory Gunner. I just sold the Yamaha R6. I had a Genesis Coupe V6 3.8 liter. Now I have the 2016 Mustang GT with 24,000 miles on it now. We are gonna go put it into track mode, gonna go find a nice quiet spot and see how fast I could hit 100, because I'm really comparing this to my Victory Gunner. So I'm gonna go find a nice secluded spot and we're gonna go enjoy this Mustang. All right, we'll try Sport Plus mode. First gear to 100, let's see. All right, we'll do a 20 roll. Hopefully the GoPro is still attached, so my headrest didn't fly off. That was Sport Plus mode. We're gonna do track mode later. I don't know how much that's gonna change that, but we're gonna go hit some back roads. Oh man, this thing sounds so mean, and I don't even have an exhaust on it, so all you're hearing is strictly motor, which is just lovely. All right, let's see if we take traction control off, if we can have some fun. I haven't done anything with this car yet. Or put it in Sport Plus, traction control off. That's some stank fashion right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice way to break in the car. This thing is just in dire need of an exhaust. I think I want to go with the Corsa Extreme Catback. I think that's the one I saw online. I think it was like 1,500, 1,600 bucks. I think that's the best one for me right now. Or you have the, what was it, the Attack. I think I want to say it was the Borla Attack. I think both of those are going to be great options. Leave it down in the comment which one you would prefer. It just definitely needs a catback system. I would love to get it tuned. I feel like there's definitely some power that this thing could gain from a nice exhaust system and a tune. Nice daily 100 for the boys right there. Oh man, this thing is just so much fun. And a quick disclaimer, we are in the middle of nowhere in Mexico on a Friday afternoon, and there is no one on the road, so we're gonna have some fun today. My gas mileage is gonna be horrendous in this 5.0 Coyote. I'm about to just straight pipe this thing for how quiet it's being. I didn't get this car not to drive it. I was explaining that the other day. I actually took this car down to Tallahassee, Florida, which is about six hours away. And I was like, I did not get this car to baby it. I got this car simply to have a blast and get as much out of it as I possibly could. I was just getting my pub sub, and he was like, they look fast even when they're parked. I was like, hell yeah, brother. Jesus, that first and second gear is absurd. That's already 80 right there. Holy shit, this thing's fun. Oh, I just demolished that butterfly. I know a few Mustang websites, CJ Pony Parts being the biggest to my knowledge. You got Anderson Power Sports that hit me up the other day on Instagram letting me know that they like to work with me. And I know there's a few more out there, so if you know which website you normally order from, leave it down in the comment section. I'll try to unflag it just so I can see which one's the best fit for Mustang owners. But definitely hit the like button. If you have not seen a video of mine before, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the channel. I love moto vlogs. I'd like to do more car videos. That is coming soon. So thank you for your cooperation and your support. As always, y'all take it easy. Kill Cam out.